Alright, today class, I will discuss about just in time. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin just in time. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong GID. Okay? So, just in time or GID. Sa iba, tinatawag din tong backflash accounting. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong backflash accounting. So, later, why is it that it is known as backflash and just in time? But before that, what are the five principles? No? So, what are the five principles of GIP? Okay? So, please take note of this. What are the five principles of the just in time? Number one, yung tinatawag natin total quality management. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng total quality management? Ibig sabihin, class, no? It, just in time, very important.